you have been searching for the perfect fish roll recipe, then this is your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you how to make the best Nigerian fish roll. Into your bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give this a good mix till everything is well combined and add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix till well combined, add your water and mix till you get a dough. Knead lightly and then just allow the dough to rest. Into your pot, you're going to cook your mackerel fish, okay, with some salt, seasoning cube, onion, curry, thyme, and then debone once it is cooked. Go ahead to fry your onion and Scotch bonnet and then add in your deboned mackerel fish with some bell peppers. Fry till you have it looking like this, and that is your filling. Go ahead and roll out your dough, cut out into as many fish rolls as you want. Trim out the edges like this, and then just fill in your fish roll dough with the fish filling. Make sure to roll tightly and seal the edges with water, just so that it doesn't open up when you're frying. Cut into as many fish rolls as you want, and there you have it. Proceed to fry in hot oil over medium to low heat so that it cooks all the way through. Once it is golden brown, your fish rolls are ready to be enjoyed with any drink of your choice. Are you gonna try this? Let me know. Bye!